Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can stake your Sui network tokens, and by doing so you might be eligible for potential airdrops on the Sui network in the future. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before staking, investing or buying cryptocurrency. So Sui network is sitting close to 1.9 billion market cap, and this chain has been doing pretty decent enough. As you can see, it had dropped to like around 36 to 37 cents in the past, and now it's around $1.5. And to be honest, I have been transacting on the Sui network, and the transactions are super fast, similar to Aptos network, because even Aptos network the transactions are pretty good enough. Now, if you don't have Sui, you can buy Sui on Bybit. And if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can use my sign up referral link in the description to get the highest tier of rewards, which is up to 30,000 US dollars. Or alternatively, you can use the referral code as crypto505. Now, Sui also have a meme coin which is called as Food the Pug. Now, this was being airdropped to few of the wallet holders, and I know couple of them who had received this airdrop, and now this airdrop is like six figures to them. So it's like more than $100,000 just from the single airdrop. So I will exactly show you how they qualified for this airdrop, and as you can see, the market cap for Food the Pug is around 16 million, and I personally think that this meme coin should do good in the future, and hopefully we can expect it more than 100 million market cap during the peak of the bull run, maybe even more. I'm not sure. So what you have to do is, in order to stake your Sui tokens, you will need to download or add a Sui wallet to your Chrome extension. So in this case, I have added this wallet over here, as you can see, which is Sui wallet. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to transfer Sui tokens from your centralized exchange or from some other wallet to your Sui wallet. Now, if you have opened the account on Bybit and have purchased Sui tokens, you can directly transfer it over here, as you can see. Now, I have transferred my Sui tokens over here. All you have to do is you will need to click over here, and you will need to stake your Sui tokens over here. Now, as you can see, I have staked with three different validators. One is Mistin, so basically this one is like directly from the Mistin Labs. The other one is Stakefish, and the third one is ORBR. Now you simply have to go over here, click on Stake Sui. Now it will show you all the list of validators over here. Now for choosing the list of validators, all you have to do is you can go to Sui Explorer over here and select the validator which is not in top 10. So I would like go for something around this over here, and just check who is having the lowest possible commission. So for example, Stakefish is only having like 2% commission, and then there are a few others. So basically, you all you have to do is you will need to avoid validators that are like centralized exchange validators. So I would avoid OKX, although they have like 0% commission, but still I would avoid them. The reason being, most of the airdrops are done to the validators who are like low in rank and having a decent commission. So 2% is fine, or maybe you can go for something like 5%, and just you filter this by the APY. So as you can see, OKX has the highest APY, but I'm not doing it. I will do it with Stakefish, ORBR, which I've already done, and Mistin 2. Now my target for staking Sui token is I will be accumulating around 10,000 Sui tokens in total, and I will put it all for staking for the upcoming bull run and maybe even the future bull run. Now, although the APY on Sui network is not that great, but there might be a chance of potential airdrops. The thing with the APY is like lower the APY, lower is the inflation of that specific token. Now, to be honest, Atom has more APY, but Atom has a high inflation as well. So that's the reason why I'm currently staking my Sui tokens. Although I have staked Atom, Cosmos, and other chains also, but I personally find that this one should do good in the coming future. Now, apart from staking your Sui tokens, what you can do is you can go to Tradeport over here, and maybe if you want to purchase some NFTs, you can buy some NFTs over here. So they have a decent NFT collection. Now I remember a few people who had purchased like a few of these NFTs over here were eligible for few airdrops in the past. So once again, this is not a financial advice. If you are into NFT collection and if you want to go ahead and purchase, I would suggest is you can go ahead and purchase one NFT collection over here. Now I personally bought this one, foodies, and then they have this blue move dragon also. So you do your own research if you are into NFT. Now the last thing that you can do is you can go to Turbos Finance, and you can check all the liquidity pools over here. I have personally taken out everything out from the liquidity pool for now, because currently we are in the bull market. Liquidity pools and everything is great during the bear market when there is not much of fluctuations in the market. So I've taken out everything now. Maybe if the market does extremely well, like if it does like 10x 20x from here, for all my tokens I will start taking out profits. So this is how you can stake your Sui tokens and be eligible for any future airdrops on the Sui network. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.